Hello, my name is Stella and I am a student at 평촌. Today we will be discussing which is better, studying alone or studying in groups. Lots of students don't like to study alone because it's so boring to study alone. Do you think studying alone is better than studying groups? I think studying groups is better. There are two reasons to support my opinion. First, studying in groups is more fun than studying alone. When we are studying alone, we are a little bit bored because we have to read so many words. But studying in groups can make it more fun to do. If we don't want to study, groups can make us study well. Also, if we are bored when we are studying, we will be very tired. But when talking with groups, in break time or middle in study time, we can take a rest. Furthermore, many people think students can't concentrate when they work in groups. But studying in groups does not mean talking with groups. Study alone, but only groups are studied together without talking. So studying groups can concentrate at work and fun. Second, when we are studying in groups, we can ask questions about the work if groups know. When we are working, we can have many questions to ask. But if we have to solve the questions, we don't have a person to ask the questions. Of course, we can ask our parents, but parents can't know too. And our classmates know better. So when we are working in groups, we can ask lots of questions. Also, I think when we're studying in groups, we can talk about work, and I can extend my thinking too. To sum up, I think it is better to study in groups for two reasons. First, it's more fun than studying alone, and second, when we study groups, we can ask questions about the work if groups know. Thank you for listening to my presentation.